Hi, I'm Dr. Gav Schneider. Let's talk a little bit about neuroscience, the brain, and risk. And there are so many experts and so many pieces of research that become useful for us in understanding the brain, a little bit of neuroscience and how that impacts decision making and the way we work with others. To start off with, I'd like to highlight some of the work that Dr. Chantal Pratt did and spoke about in her recent book. And one of the things that I think is really important out of her research is that all of our brains are deeply unique. And even though it's convenient to be able to draw similarities and networks and connections and try and classify or group the way brains work, which we can do to a degree, we should also remember that there are many strengths in the way brains work differently. Some of those include the ability to tackle problems differently, the ability to assess and understand levels of risk or risk exposure differently, the ability to leverage different learning styles for different outcomes. So practically, one of the important pieces is that if we only look at behavior as a driver, as opposed to the way people accept, process, understand information and make decisions using their minds and brains, we often take away a lot of the influence capability we have to be able to drive more effective outcomes for ourselves, others, and our organizations.